Hello everyone. In this video we'll see CMOS. That is what is the working principle of complementary metal oxide semiconductor, and we'll also see how it works as an inverter. So हमने earlier video में देखा था how PMOS works as NAND gate NOR gate as well as NMOS as NAND and NOR gate. So let us come across CMOS. Now what is CMOS? CMOS is a combination of both PMOS and NMOS. So when we connect a PMOS with NMOS, that structure is called as complementary metal oxide semiconductor. Now when we go across its logic diagram, so let us connect a PMOS. This will be our PMOS, and it is connected in series with NMOS. So we'll connecting. Let this is our input as A, and we'll connect it to the ground. यहाँ से हम connect करेंगे VDD. Okay. So what we have done, this is our PMOS and this is our NMOS. So PMOS and NMOS are connected in series with each other. This structure is called as CMOS. Now let's take the output. So as you know that for PMOS the output is taken at the bottom and for NMOS it is taken at the top. यानी कि at the center of this we'll take the output as Y. तो इस वाले स्ट्रक्चर को हम कहते हैं CMOS. Now let us come across its truth table. That is how it works as an inverter. So for that case we will be taking the second step as our truth table. In that we'll write the terms as input as A. We have two transistors, एक PMOS एक NMOS है, so इसको भी हम लिखेंगे PMOS. This is NMOS. Let this is Q1, this is Q2, so we'll write Q1 Q2 and here we'll write output as Y. Okay. Now we have a single input, so इसके दो possible combination आ सकते हैं, either 0 or 1. So let's apply the first input 0. Now when we apply input 0, so here it comes with 0 और यहाँ पर भी आ जाएगा 0. Now for Q1 अगर ये 0 है तो इसका कॉम्प्लीमेंट आ जाएगा 1. So if it is 1 in first case, when A is 0 we'll write, so this one will be on, so we'll write this as short circuit, and this is अगर ये 0 है तो ये भी 0 आ जाएगा, तो ये हो जाएगा ऑफ, यानी Q2 ऑफ और Q1 हो जाएगा on, and we are taking input at the center. So what will happen, if it is on there is a path, यानी कि VDD can be connected with output. Yes, as this is open circuit ground connect नहीं हो सकता, तो क्या connect हो गया है, VDD is connected at the output. That means in the first case when A is 0 our output is connected with VDD, that is logic 1. Let's come across the status. Q1 off, sorry Q1 is on और Q2 है off condition में. In the same manner when input is high, so if A is 1, here it appears 1, one's complement will be 0, here it is 1 and we'll get 1. Now if this is 0, that means this is open circuit, तो इसका status of 1 short circuit, it is on. Now when we come across the schematic, what could happen, so see this is open circuit and this one is short circuit, so there is no path for VDD to reach at the output क्योंकि ये open circuit है, off है. So what will happen, so our output will be connected across ground. Now if the output is connected across ground, so we'll get logic 0. Hence when input is 1 logic will be 0. So if we see this carefully, input 0 output 1 input 1 output is 0. So from this we can say it is working as inverter circuit. It is working as inverter circuit. So finally we can write CMOS as inverter. So this will be our structure of explaining how CMOS works as inverter. First step, draw this particular transistor configuration. Second, go for the truth table, and from that we can fetch it is working as a inverter circuit. Now in next video we'll see how CMOS works as an AND gate and how it works as a NOR gate. Thank you.